Yeah.
Threw it right underneath the book.
Damn it.
I'm supposed to knock on the window.
Well, we still got the WD-40. That one's gonna be big.
Yeah.
You threw it under the book.
Yeah.
I hear something. Shit.
WD-40. Keep rolling.
Quick, go. Wacky. Is he limping?
Book's in like 3 pieces. I don't know where to throw it.
Pick a spot. WD. A whole can.
Louis, be careful.
You see that one go up?
Vaguely.
Operation Head Behind Joe.
Operation Meat Shield. Get behind the blackie.
Did you get that one close to anything?
Who remembers? I don't know if it's gonna go up or not. Can't believe how much that butane hits.
Neighbors haven't came out.
Nope.
Not one.
Look at all the embers over there.
Come on.
Orange go. Gotta make sure you tell them.
Yeah, if this WD-40 can goes up, I ain't going anywhere besides behind this and in the house.
Mm.
I mean, it's right in the middle of everything.
If it doesn't go up.
Yeah, I'm not going over there. It's sitting in the middle of all the embers in the fire.
I'm gonna be pissed if it doesn't go up. It's $4.
We'll go get it before it goes.
Something caught.
It goes. Yeah, we haven't done one of these, so hopefully it doesn't blow the top off and do a little rocket.
Fuck. That would suck. Just if
It's like
shot
flying
over
around
here.
all over in the sky.
That smells horrible.
I'm so sure about your little foot here. Still.
Fuck
Well, it
that.
could nail us.
Behind Joe. Oh.
Nail me in the face.
Before it'd be gone.
Come
There's
on.
Joe's blood on me, the burning pieces of WD-40. I think that was it. Ah man, it's getting pretty high. I threw the butane right underneath the encyclopedia and covered it in gas and WD-40 and blew the book in like half.
Oh, come on. You gotta be joking.
Maybe it's not going to go up.
I think it is.
Well, what's that?
I think it's pouring out. Oh, we ain't going over there.
Okay.
Go over and look, Lewis.
Here, I'll be right back. I don't have a shirt on.
Damn it.
Get your BB gun and shoot at it.
Oh,
Did you bring it
I
back?
forgot.
You son of a bitch.
Or a long stick.
Poke it.
You still have Sarah.
Louis, no.
Throw Sarah in the fire.
Get Sarah to go get it.
Get a tennis ball. Sarah, go get the ball. Can't wait to show these to my parents.
Yeah.
God, look how high that flame is. Why the fuck isn't it going up? I think it melted the top off the WD-40 and it's just spraying in the flame.
Should've taken the top off.
Is there a rocket
What
in
off? There was no cap.
Wasn't?
No. Well, there was a spray nozzle. There wasn't a cap. Didn't you see me spraying it on the fire before I
Yeah.
threw it in? I don't know. Look how high that's flaming. That can't just be the book.
That's a WD-40.
Yeah, there's no wood in there or anything. That's the can.
Getting bigger.
Think it's gonna explode?
No.
I doubt it.
If it's leaking out that much already.
I know. Look
There's
how
no
high that flame is. It's not
It's
gonna
not
blow
gonna
up.
press.
Getting bigger, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not gonna explode.
Fucking tree. Where's the end of the rake?
It's over there somewhere.
There's got a plastic.
I think Corey had them both.
You want to melt marshmallows?
WD-40.
Gasoline, WD-40, butane, lighter fluid, and charcoal fluid. It'd be funny if it just hit the can and blew up. I'd be the man for like a week.
Yeah. That smells horrible.
I can't smell it. Oh, yeah, don't step in there.
I wasn't planning
It's
that.
like a foot deep, and when me and Joe started, there were still burning embers in there. Yeah.
Zoom in and check it out.
Can't once it's recording, it won't zoom. It's just a digital camera.
See?
Yep.
That's
Yeah.
why.
Or somebody. Look at all the embers still in there.
That's from last night.
Yeah.
It's not going anywhere.
Go check it out.
I don't know if it's fresh. You covered it in yours? How many minutes are we at?
Almost 6.
I say give up.
I turn it off and it explodes.
Oh
Did you
well.
find your knife?
You want to go look?
Did you lose it?
It's next to the fire.
Uh,
Right about there. It's not next to it, but
Something shiny.
yeah, that's one of the lighter fluid cans. Be hitting the dirt. I'd dig a hole before the explosion was finished.
What's that?
Joe's gas.
it's not gonna go.
No.